this business of separation, right? You can also imagine, say, like as an infant, the distinction between the infant itself and the mother is not occurring. You know, it's irrelevant thing. It's like, you know, for example, we can imagine that the infant in the womb, you know, is not making much of a distinction between the womb and its self. It's a perceptive experience, unformed, probably in large measure, not completely, but large measure, right? And there is no, because in an infant in the womb, right, they got nothing to do. They're just hanging out, you know. They don't have to do anything to live. They're getting fed, you know, right through their belly button there. They're just getting fed. Don't have to breathe. Don't have to look, because there's not much to look at. It's pretty dark in there, you know, kind of slimy. It's kind of cramped. See, so probably one of the first things that occurs is the sensation. Sensation. Anyway, see, now and then all of a sudden, you know, boop, and now they got shit to do. Pretty soon they got to breathe, got to look, light, you know, shit, eventually eat. In the same day. And that's a lot. That's a lot. I mean, that's going from like nothing going on here, nothing to see here, move along, to a lot going on. That's the thing. But still, see, even though there's a lot going on, and they have to do all these things, which, you know, that comes with the package, because otherwise, you know, they need a very, very short learning curve there. See, but still, in some way, all that stuff going on is still like the womb, yeah? See, it's just like, yeah, this is different, you know, probably without the thought, you know, this is different, you know what I'm saying? See, it's just stuff. Distinctions? Not much. See, and then at some point, there's a separation. And then separation grows. And then maybe it starts right then. Boop. It's like separation, but it's incredibly minor. It's not, you know, boop, separation. And then it grows, right? And then it gets worse and worse and worse. And by worse and worse and worse, I say more and more isolated. You understand? See? Because you get more of it. And then especially in the social world, you become more and more isolated. And you become an inner self with a private world, and also you're kicked out. See? You go find food for yourself. You know, I mean, you're weaned. Yeah, they still feed you, though, for a while. So that's a lot right there. So that's a lot. Progress. But in any case, say more and more, you become more and more isolated, see, till now your present stage of this utter isolation, separation, and living in this hell of an inner world, and trying to sew up in a social world. Like me, see me, love me. You know, this is a big deal. This is a lot. It's a lot of separation, see. But like I'm saying, see, this separation, you and others. See, the separation, say, you, in theory, right, aren't separate from yourself. What are you separate from? Ta-da!
Just had a thought occur as you were speaking that separation is almost like an inevitable result or byproduct of this being.
Humans, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Human condition is
Like,
definitely a trend in the human condition.
Yeah. I can't be me without separation.
And, you know, if we think about kind of progression or evolution, it's only gotten worse.
That's true.
See? They got more and more. You know, in our modern culture, we're very much an individual. See, that means more separation.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, me. See? It's only gotten worse, and the more social complexity and stuff like that separates you more and more. See? Whereas, I bet Neanderthal were hugging each other a lot more. But have you seen apes? Chimpanzees? They're all the time, yeah. Climbing on each other, hugging each other, sometimes fighting, stuff like that. It's just like people, but they're a lot more, together, unified in this way.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.